Hey guys, it's Jeremy at Glassworks, and we got something a little different for you today. We have some veiled cane that was left over from the previous glassblower who used to do the Oklahoma show before we took over. Now this was just picked up off the ground. I honestly have no idea what manufacturer of color it is. I'm assuming it's 96 COE. I have no idea what the clear casing is. It looks to be bar that was cased and stretched, but I'm not 100% sure. So what we're going to do is play around and see how nice of a cane piece we can make with trash cane that was picked up off the ground after it's been sitting for a couple years in the dirt, brushed off, cleaned up a little bit. I don't have a pastorelli, I don't have forks. I've got this ceramic plate just sitting in front of the furnace door like I use to pick up my dichro. I don't even have a pie divider with me, so I'm gonna eyeball it. So we're gonna get started here in just a second, but I wanted to kind of put this out there. We're gonna show this process regardless of how it goes. So you might get a real short, like 2-minute video when all the cane explodes in the furnace, or you know, we might get a nice piece out of it. So stay tuned, check it out, and thanks guys, I hope you enjoy it. All right, guys, there we have it. That is our trash can cane goblet. So honestly, it turned out really nice. I should have paid more attention when I was opening it, that I didn't untwist it the way I did at the top, but That's okay. When I was laying out the colors, they were so dark, I thought what I had was black, white, and red. But it turns out what I had was black, white, red, teal, and blue. So it's got a lot of different colors, and it worked out well that I put that blue twisted handle in there. You know, we did lose a couple pieces of cane. I lost a piece of white and a piece of red, or maybe black. I'm not sure which, because it fell off in the furnace. But overall, I'm very happy with it. Just came out of the box, so it's got a little bit of fiber fracks on the side still. But yeah, so this is just proof that one man's trash is another man's treasure, right? Because I literally picked this up off the ground and out of the trash can when I got to Oklahoma. This was stuff that was discarded by the previous glassblower. It clearly is compatible. I'll give it a few weeks just to make sure it doesn't just randomly pop, but then it'll go out on the shelf for sale. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I had a lot of fun making it. It's nice to know I can do a cane roll-up without any of the proper tools. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy.